Building a piece of furniture with MarcaClac Sistema is easy and fast. It takes just 4 steps: cutting the profiles, making holes in the profiles, countersinking the holes, and putting together the skeleton. MarcaClac is a mechanic method, and therefore it needs precision in the measurement and in the execution of the cut. The holes are made with a jig for drilling, which is applied to the jump profile. After creating the holes, it is necessary to countersink the holes, both on the inside and the outside, obviously from both sides. I set the pieces in order so that I can put together the skeleton. I take the measurements of the compartments and I mark them on the profile. At this point I slide some square nuts into the profiles at the base where I will later set the leveling feet. And I position the MarcaClac joints in correspondence of the marks I made. Before inserting the jump profiles, I screw the leveling feet into the holes. MarcaClac technology is compatible with almost all the hardware on the market. At this point, the pieces are ready to be assembled. Now the skeleton is finished, ready, light, and I'll take it to the park.